Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use collagen tablets. Collagen is a crucial protein, essential for maintaining healthy skin, hair, nails, and joints. Taking collagen in tablet form offers a straightforward and convenient way to supplement your body's natural supply. It's important to understand that various types of collagen exist, each designed to support different bodily functions. When selecting a collagen tablet, consider your specific health goals. If you're aiming for improved skin elasticity, stronger hair, or bone support, look for products containing type 1 and type 3 collagen. For joint health and cartilage support, type 2 collagen is your best bet. Many prefer hydrolyzed collagen for its enhanced absorption. For optimal results, always follow the recommended dosage provided on your collagen tablets label, which is typically 1 to 2 tablets daily. Taking your collagen with food can often improve absorption and help prevent any potential stomach upset. Remember, consistency is truly key. Regular daily intake will help you experience the full benefits over time. Regular use of collagen tablets can lead to several positive changes, including improved skin hydration and a reduction in the appearance of fine lines. Many individuals also notice their nails becoming stronger and their hair growing healthier. Before incorporating any new supplement into your routine, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.